Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Linux Lite 8.0, codenamed Hematite, has officially been released, bringing some major upgrades to this beginner-friendly Linux distribution. It's based on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS and powered by the new Linux Kernel 7.0. For those unfamiliar with it, Linux Lite is designed to be lightweight, fast, and easy to use, especially for people moving from Windows to Linux. One of the biggest changes in this release is the switch to the Calamares installer, replacing Ubuntu's older Ubiquiti installer. Linux Lite 8.0 also adds support for the DEB822 sources format and includes a new OEM installer for hardware vendors. The desktop experience has received a refresh as well. All in-house Lite applications have been ported to GTK4, giving them a more modern appearance. There's also a new default theme and an updated Plymouth boot splash with an animated feather spinner. Several new applications make their debut in this release. Lite Distro Builder lets users create their own customized Linux Lite version. Lite About provides detailed system information, including CPU, GPU, memory, storage, network, and audio hardware details. There's also Lite System Monitor for real-time monitoring of system resources, Lite Menu Sorter for organizing menu categories alphabetically, and Lite Time Date for easy date and time configuration with optional NTP synchronization. Gamers and power users get some exciting additions too. Linux Lite now offers two custom kernels, the standard Linux Lite kernel for desktop use and Linux Lite Gaming for gaming-focused performance. A new Lite Kernel Manager makes switching between kernels simple. Gaming support is further enhanced with Lite Game Center, designed to help users quickly set up their gaming environment. Another useful addition is Lite Core, which allows users to remove non-essential components and build a minimal system with only the applications they need. The terminal experience has also been improved, with Starship replacing Powerline for faster startup times and a cleaner command prompt. And there's one more notable change. Firefox is now the default web browser, replacing Google Chrome. Overall, Linux Lite 8.0 is a significant update, bringing Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, Linux Kernel 7.0, GTK4 applications, new management tools, custom kernels, and better gaming support. Existing Linux Lite 7.0 users can upgrade using the Lite Upgrade tool, while new users can download the 64-bit ISO and try it out today. What do you think about Linux Lite 8.0? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Linux and open source news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.